The Adventure of the Bouncy Bee. In a big, bright book, in the middle of the word ball, lived a bouncy, bold, red letter named B. But B was bored. Being a bee is a bit of a bore, he sighed. I want to have an adventure. So, with a wiggle and a wobble, B popped right out of his word. He left a funny-shaped space behind. Goodbye, all, he giggled. I'm off to see the world. B bounced through the book and landed in a garden. A beautiful butterfly fluttered by. Hello, chirped the butterfly. You look just like the beginning of my name. B tried to flutter his round parts like wings. He wobbled and bobbed, but he couldn't fly. Being a butterfly is beautiful, but it's not for me, he said with a smile. Next, B bounced to a big blue sea. A little boat bobbed on the waves. Ahoy there, called the boat. You look like the start of my name. B hopped into the water, but he just bobbed up and down. He couldn't float like the boat. Being a boat is breezy, but it's not for me, he laughed. B had met a butterfly and a boat, but he was starting to miss his friends, A, L and L. He missed being part of a word. He missed being a bouncy, bold bee in ball. My adventure was fun, B decided, but my real job is to be the beginning of B-A-L-L. With a big bounce, he leapt back towards his page in the book. He zoomed past the garden and the sea and landed right back in his spot. B is back, cheered A, L and L. The word ball was whole again. B wiggled with joy. Being a butterfly or a boat was fun to imagine, but being the bouncy, bold beginning of ball was the very best adventure of all.
Like and subscribe for more fun.